This video will go through how you can insert and format text in Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll start off here by looking at the desktop app, and you'll see that I've got a new PowerPoint presentation created here. So if I want to insert text here into my text boxes, so this will be my title, and underneath we'll have a subtitle. So if we want to change how these look, we would format the text. So if I highlight the word title here and I zoom into the Home tab, you can see there are different options here for my text, such as bold, italic, underline, etc. There's also the option to choose different fonts. So if we scroll down here, we can see my list of fonts, and we can change our text to whatever font we want. If you want to change the size, you would use that little drop down menu. There's also the option to highlight your text. You can change the color of your text itself. So we change it to red here, and we have it highlighted in yellow. If we go to the second slide here, we've got a typical slide that might contain a heading and some bullet points of information for our CBA. So I'll just type in this is a bullet point, and I'll just put in a few more points here as numbers, just for an example. If we scroll up to the top, you can see there are different bullet points we can use, and there's also different numbering systems that we can use. So there's letters and numbers and Roman numerals there. We can center align our text, right align our text. We can also zoom out here and just take a look at this last slide. What if we have a slide that has no text box? We'll go to the top here and we'll select insert, and we can actually draw a text box for ourselves. That's useful if you have an image and you want to put some text in a box beside it. You can also zoom in here and take a look at the other option to insert a text box, which is on the Home tab, and you just do the same process again. So let's take a look at what this is like on the iPad. If we click into PowerPoint on the iPad, I have a new presentation created here for us, and I've got my title and subtitle text boxes here. You can see in the Home tab we've got our various text formatting options, such as bold, italic, highlight, underline, etc. If we go to insert a new slide here, we've got a slide with a typical heading and our bullet point information like we've shown previously. So if we want to format our text there again, we go back to the Home tab. If we highlight the heading, you can see we can change this text, such as bold, italic, underline, change the text color. All of the other options that were available to us on the desktop app are here. So if we have a slide here and we want to insert a new text box, we will go to insert text box, and that'll give us an option to have a text box wherever we want it, not just the ones that are on the screen automatically. We can move that text box around by using the arrows. So that's how you can insert and format text in Microsoft PowerPoint.